In this video, I'm going to explain how you can work with bubble and scatter charts while charting in Empower. Let's start with bubble charts and insert a bubble chart via the Empower Charts button in the Insert section of PowerPoint right here. You can find the bubble chart right here. Firstly, let's take a look on the corresponding mini Excel that you can open via the Edit Data button in the action bar above my chart. This chart type uses a special data structure. You can see that we have different points right here, and each of them goes with an X and a Y-axis value that define the position of the point in the chart. Moreover, each point goes with a size that defines the size of my bubble in my chart. This size is relative, which means that if I change the absolute size of the bubbles right here in the Properties menu, I can do this right here and, for example, make them bigger. The size relation between the bubbles stays the same. It can be helpful to change the absolute size of the bubbles if they are, for example, overlapping, and I don't want that. Additionally, every point can be assigned to a series or group that have the same color in the chart, and this can also be shown in the legend if I want to display one. Moreover, it can be helpful to adjust the axis to improve the look of my chart. If all of my bubbles are, for example, located in one corner of my chart, as it is the case in this example, I can minimize the empty area by either using axis breaks that I can create in the Lines menu right here, or by redefining the minimum and maximum of the respective axis. I can do this by simply clicking on the axis directly in my chart and then clicking on the Properties wheel. In this case, I could, for example, set the minimum a bit higher and set the minimum of this axis a bit higher too. And now you can see that the chart looks a lot nicer and is easier to understand. Note that we created a separate video on how you can work with axis breaks if you'd like to get further information on this topic. Scatter charts basically work the same way. The main difference is that they don't work with a size column in the mini Excel. However, I can give each point a name in the label column. Moreover, you have special opportunities concerning the data label of the scatter chart. In the Data Labels menu, I can choose if I want to show data labels at all, and if I want to display the coordinates or the Excel labels. This would be the names that we inserted in the Labels column in our mini Excel. Or I could also use a combination of both. Furthermore, it is possible to create a custom label right here. I hope this video gave you an insight on how you can create and adjust bubble and scatter charts. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.